Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sinu. Today I would like to show you this beautiful circle shaped flower embroidery. Do you know why this flower looks very beautiful today? I will share the secret at the end of the video. So let's begin. So the embroidery here start with the leaf embroidery. For that I'm using the blanket stitch. First made a chain stitch there, then next stitch at the center of the leaf to the outer periphery, and we should connect this stitches just like the blanket stitch. And while tapering the leaf, the blanket stitch also will get a taper there. And the same stitch, the blanket stitch, I am doing same stitch to the opposite side of the leaf, and the next set of the leaf also I am doing the same blanket stitch. So if you would like to get the blanket stitch tutorial video, please comment it. And if you like this video, please like, support, share and comment and subscribe my channel. So here the material here I used is the poplin cotton material, and the thread here I used is the anchor embroidery thread. The number of strands of thread here I used is the 4 strands of embroidery thread, and for the leaf I used light green in color. The pen here used to draw this diagram or the picture is a heat erasable pen. So when using the heat erasable pen, after finishing the embroidery, we should remove the heat erasable pen mark using the ironing box. So we should iron the fabric at the back side of the fabric, otherwise it will get distorted the shape of the thread. I would like to know from which country you are watching my video. Please comment it below. Next we'll go to the flower embroidery. Here I used a multicolor embroidery thread, that is a red and maroon mixed color embroidery thread here I used. And when doing this embroidery, hope you saw that in this embroidery flower pattern, here I used three circles, so one small at the center and a little distance and near to the next one. So first, for doing this embroidery, here I used 6 strands of embroidery thread. For doing the embroidery, for the center circle, from there we should prick one thread needle from the downside of the fabric to go upside, and we should prick it down at the second layer of the circle, and we should prick it up to the third layer of the circle, and from there the needle is wrap around using the thread and we should pull it out. So here a half chain is developing. So for your detailed identification, here I just did some part of the video in slow motion, so you can see that movement of the thread and needle very properly. When we are doing a circle shape of a flower, first, before doing the embroidery itself, first we should identify the four parts of the circle to mix the colors, or for doing the straight figures in straight manner. Otherwise, if we are not identified that one, based on where we are sitting, or the where we are doing the position, like that, there is a change of thread will happen, and it will change the shape of the flower also. Here next I used multicolor yellow and white color combination multicolor embroidery thread. I'm doing the same stitch and same number, that is the 6 strands of embroidery thread here used, but with the different color. In the first part of this video, I told that we'll tell the secret of this beauty of the flower. The main secret is that we are used the multicolor. Even it is the same stitch and the same circular pattern. Here we are used the multicolor embroidery thread, and here I used two sets of color. So total red color, maroon color, white color and yellow color is for the flowers here I used. So because of the mixing of the colors, this flower will get beautiful. So hope you like this type of video. If you like this type of video, please subscribe, like, share, some comment, and please support. And if you have any queries, or if you would like to contact with me, please give me a comment and please support me. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Here I used blue color embroidery thread for doing the French knot, so that also enhance its colorful pattern. So here I am using 6 strands of blue color embroidery thread for doing the French knot. From the base back of the fabric, we should prick the needle, go upside and keep the needles turned, and wrap around the thread with the needle. So here I used 2 wraps, and we should prick it back in the same spot, and we should pull it down. So like that we should do the center portion of the flower. It is called a French knot. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.